Oftentimes people think that they can make their floor shiny by buying something at Target and putting it on their floor so that they can make it shiny. Or they don't even know what to use, so they just get something like Rejuvinate, Bona, Mop and Glow, anything that kind of says it'll give it a quick shine. I think that's even the name of one, quick shine. Don't use those, okay? That's gonna just make it worse for you in the long run, harder for you to clean, and makes it duller. So just know that. You'll want to use a pH balanced neutral cleaner. If you're going to go to Home Depot, I think that they have a pH cleaner that is made by Aquamix. Even Zep in the janitorial section. I've never used that, but I'm sure pH neutral cleaner should be fine, even if it's by Zep. Best thing to do is probably go on Amazon and go to get something made by Stone Tech. It's called Stone and Tile Cleaner. It's a pH balanced cleaner. It's concentrated. You just dilute it and you use that for your cleaning, or just water. That's what happens when you put top coat coating on your floor. This is not just a regularly dirty floor. Floors don't get that bad if you don't use the wrong stuff to clean with. Have you accidentally been using the wrong stuff? Don't worry. Give us a call today for your free estimate, 602-826-2059. Thanks for watching.